Hello, my beautiful people. How una dey? How una side? So about that issue of Sohe and ex-husband. Now one so today mo you finish am. Today na get chance now. Everybody don't still calm. I say make I help am now. But when the video they cut since then. So may you finish am for today. So my people, na well done. So we end am for part 6 for 7 for when the get come talk say him go like, but make dem tell the second sha, make dem tell the woman, the first wife when he dey Portugal, say him go make dem help am beg am in case the girl for one side e get sense, because e get sense. Make dem beg am since wedding no dey force person, marriage no be force, because na the mother-in-law go bring that girl because say he wan make his son get make it still get your family. Na make that mother-in-law go bring am, and no be wetin the mother-in-law really like to do for his son, which the man wey he born children for na only one na their papa marry. No mother go like say make pikin dey marry dey go. No mother wey really get brain, I no know. As for me, no like am. So they come settle the issue, give am 5 million naira and the house document come be you. Come to ask for family. Your family here said the two people they jam together. Because say this is all this one they happen. So the one wey dey Portugal, I don't know anything. All he meant say na only one I born that two daughter for am. You know say get children for Nigeria, for Benin for happen. Nobody even know. The woman don't know. The family of the woman, they don't see no. So most of the family of the woman, don't know the full Port, they know you're there. They say they know most of them know you're they not there. No, they're not too much jail Benin like that. Nobody know. This is not your secret. Nobody know, my brother. Now the man to say yes, not be waiting go your high forever in a man. If say me first so come to Nigeria after before you call your wife, tell her. So the man come to say he knows he love his wife. The way this assaulted they talk na good woman. For there, say na good woman. Say if na some women, they not go green because all the name say he get something. They not go green. They go want fight to their last blood. If they don't use physically, they will fight with spiritually. Sir, you know. See what they tell her. You know, say you tell me say you know love. True. You know, no say you still love me like that. Now your mama, now you team mama, now you got that plan. Now we take the here so. So if the girl person when you want marry, now your mama now you spoil everything. See her now where you know still lose it, born two children and house and family. You go take and start life with God. God still bless her. Say he say as the girl can't talk that one. The man come sort of say he can't change mind for there. Say this girl, you know go let her go. He go marry her. Even though his wife no. If you not fit stay, your depoto can fit go. He go carry this one come here. Say that money, you know it not be wife money. Hola. Dime. Huh? Descafeinado con leche.
¿Sobre?
Vale, sí, ahí. Mami pode come, não tem minha dele, né? Pode come. Não, come here story. This really touch me. Do it. Now let the story really touch me and truth. I'm coming. Água. Okay, com leche. Olá. Olá, ¿dónde estaba? Muy bien. Dime. ¿Ah? ¿Lata, cuánto?
Dame 8 lá.
Ahora. Espera. Un minuto. Ahora.
Vale. Enciende la máquina cuando está listo. Enciende la máquina.
Vale, mon petit comme il est entre 5 centimes. Ya está hecho. No, ya está. ¿De cómo? Vamos a hacer.
Por favor, dame sacar el...
¿Has sacado? Vale. ¿Cuánto uno o dos? Perdón.
Esta peluquería que está atrás está abierta por la tarde.
¿Quién?
Peluquería. Hay una peluquería, ¿no?
Peluquería.
Peluquería.
Peluquería aquí. Aquí no hay peluquería.
No.
A ver.
¿Qué? ¿No quieres monedas en 2 euros, por favor? En 2 euros. ¿No quieres monedas? 2 euros.
No.
Yo te lo pago. ¿No quieres? Míralo, porfa. Sí, en 2 euros.
Vale.
Monedas en 2 euros, por
Sí,
favor.
espera.
Porfa, si tienes.
A ver si hay. No hay, no hay.
Míralo si quieres en 2 euros. Vale, pues ya está. Nada, déjalo. Gracias. ¿Qué?
Ya está, ¿no?
Ya está. España no está seria nada.
España. No,
No tiene seriedad, ¿sabes?
Ya,
No me gusta nada.
ya.
Rusia, Ucrania es más seria.
Claro.
Pero aquí en España es que cada una persona lo hace lo que quiere. Chao, chao. Gracias.
Chao, gracias. It's my life. I don't come, I go say. So, my people, now so we see am o, my dear. Not funny. Now so we see am. So the man come say this girl na good girl. That my husband friend. No be say na stone. Na wetin happen? Na wetin happen when they talk? When they talk so themself, eh? Me, I dey cry. No be what they talk and so. Oh, see, na so eh? Una fear or more. Obi yan una fear ni. You go pay na because remember your bill. Remember your meal here. or una be odo here ke we born odo treat anyhow. Now because of pikin matter, pikin matter. Now these things happen, so it's not supposed to happen. The man said the way to get it do, you know, he said to snap some women, he said they listen to some, he said they hear some kind of story for Europe here, the way they think they do. Obviously, man go live there, they will find where one place to destroy the man, to condemn the man. He said this guy 27 years old, this guy, he said fine, educated, he gets on. He said he will get educated past his whole wife when he marry, when he do what do they call it? When you do traditional court, church, everything, he say he even fine person, fine person, character person. Me tamu when I say you have to say if mama daddy get that love to that first wife. You understand? He say he come the way say if you talk to your first wife, make because the way he will need mama, but they talk and they come so need me. Character, it matter a lot. The way people they talk for months, it matter a lot. No feel say person hurts you, make you hurt and back. And now very painful thing that they want to do to that girl. Because don't say they tell the girl. Now painful thing, but come the thing come revive back. I more one nanny. They don't give her money. They don't give her anything. Make it stuff yours day on you. Make it marry another husband. So I make kata not one day between them. No one they listen to this story. Don't be story. What thing happen? Now, what thing happened? And I say 4 years. Now I need to first soon. I say 4 years. So he said the way the talk. I say okay, no problem for you. Now, do well. You know, because when you no, Joe, here. I'm more of a somewhere. I know why if you see leave the children go now. No, no, go punish. No, people like that. No. He go still look for a life. If you can't talk to say life not come too much, he go come for Benin, go another place, go stay now Abuja, go stay, start his life back again. So don't worry. Say so family they take care of. Make they let them beg a second. Say see wetin happen. No come snatch the man for him hand. Now him mama, he go explain everything. With your mother and I conclude together putting for this one in days so make it not very say if he pray make the woman be good woman make it listen to her in one year because before he carry the children make the carry fly and go to come out for Nigeria go put them for another place will be say now women no cause the punishing now more they know I stay born they carry they know Nigeria na their hospital your day pain there even though your husband even a millionaire na pain and they no able do anything say to take calm the pain no Nigeria. So he said, my husband's brother said, he said that love. If love won't come and want so, say the love come back, no revive for there. The thing na man, na good, the person, the man a good man. Say gonna revive, say no, I be make him marry this girl, make him marry this girl. Make this girl be future wife. Make him say man come they tell her like that, he come they pump her like that. For that public, both the family of the man, they there, everybody family cook for parlor, everybody here back, but all family can't come down. So now the team match, say the meeting mature. They even cook, say do everything, they settle everything. They don't be quarrel this thing. So when people really get sense, so family then get sense to settle issue. I go na I hear with egbo meme, egbe da am your toy, that egbo meme no ban up, I am your toy and I pump you, but all of them they get sense. He said for education, this 20 years old girl, he educate past his wife. And at least you have to do something, he pass his wife. The man say he knows that he wife when they hear good, that's a good woman, he say good on your board. And myself, that is the way you do the talk. He said this one when he bought two boys for us, so he know the verse. It's a bit calculated. It's a when you're looking, you know what they do you. He said, "I can't save her. You go know what they do you. No. You don't go tell you say this no matter." He said, "But the one where they here, even though you see the thing, they die, they go. You no go even with affair. So I'm not there. So come on, yeah, go on. So they are woman. You know go even like say you be no everybody there your character." He said, "This one when they have 27 years old, he even get sense past the one when they when still they going together they stay for many years." He said, for that reason, he said the love can't come back. He can't talk. Say, come, this house I give you at the moment. No, me. Whoa. Me, not be like women, man, listen, what happened? Me. I have 5 million. They don't give the woman 5 million. I saw 5 million with a house of Pohoro, two flats. Correct two flats. Where everything the correct two flats. We even show everything. Show the picture. I don't want to show her for here because before I talk this thing, so I beg and say, brother, I dey do like if the brother love me well, naturally. You understand? Now my husband best friend. If they play like maybe would be this, we don't know, might not even know the people, but the way person they talk, when you take the flow with person. My husband not fit there as I call the flow with them, but that you days or something like that, they flow with the well. Because they see people be say, or what if family many, if you get many family, many sisters, now friend, then you will choose. My husband get many friends, but that brother no, I too love them. I don't say like I love them. When if you ain't got the flow today, where don't even know, you will say, I only want the here where you have a working person or in Spain. So now I will come back and say, brother, but this thing I'll use them. Was tell my husband I will use them. He say, no, I think I carry on. I use them. So I don't make sure you name like no boy say being big. Say what's social media that way when you meet it, but near moment a patient and every Malatia, or someone just talk. Now me kind of dey happy for since all those one and now we can't be full man. When they listen to the story, and make people fear they talk and so. So my dear people, it's not so the thing can't go like that. So no do. The meeting, it can say you go bad way. A meeting na hang there and name. You might have walk over Hana. Hola. Se uno 20. ¿Ay? ¿Correcto? Sí. Gracias. ¿Ese es 2, no? Esto en YouTube. En YouTube. Yes, trabajando en YouTube también. Hasta luego. So my people, he say I don't come back. He say come talk say they come to hold the meeting say this meeting you never drive this girl. All the one way because when it goes so when you have one head. He never drive this girl. This girl na guy corner. I saw him I where when they give make it go think and where. Make the beggar so many wait for him for 2 months. You go give the family a reply. May see go back to your mama first. I wish you know what surprise. You just the boy. Now I said the time now. Mother get a life now, Even the bear turn on the way person going to the scratch person. Go feel turn something. Because when we view vanima when you accept the only ring back okay. Man the listen. Sometimes when I say I don't this on the top. This thing man the listen. Because I said me can finish this video too. They not they don't cut. They complain say they don't cut. But I know you're doing together because I know they see chance. I dey work. No say all my video now. They show here. They show here. Yes, nothing. This one don't finish. Now I that they do for my house. Some time now if code don't come, they can't work like that. I go tell you they do this someone now will grab them. No me will grab them. They now ya me ya hot. My people. If mama come surprise, hey. The mama say, you know, say then tell me some Emani name da aho na lele. Emi ro. You two friend never pay the mother say don't cause na the don't talk na if you don't fit marry. No say that person will marry my next husband. They don't see marry this one traditional way, but not because just traditional way. They marry the two. So that one way they this side. That power because if you fight for government, you go win everything. Or you are the different. The two get right for traditional way at the moment. When I have one now, he go come back and give na reply. Say make you hold the paper of the house. Even you not see you not see it. Make you carry the 5 million. Anything we want like today do make it take back for yourself. I have a business. Go make ya come work on anything no get you may double nya kwenya. You may dey akwe because that don't gonna character or you may bon you matter uta kata man. Tabenoro one, nage no hiota. Man, understand? My dear people, but if you want to listen to this from the beginning of this last story, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, you know, just the end, part 8 and the end. Today one end up. When I will pick sense for his side. Since then, when they talk about, they cannot talk. Now so I saw her vessel. Now I saw her side. Now I meet this one. This girl no verse. You know your count and say, what we say, some boyfriend, but they friend this thing. This one a boy, this one a girl. He go say, as his baby, he can't look at the friend reach 4 years now. He can't look at character say, eh no here take me ya ni what me your turn and say make yours, make they separate. If not be babalawo, he go make it killer. In your power there. Wait, if matter you say you know what? No, that money for. Oh no, I get that. They give sense. Not to wait something for months. Maybe God feel fight for your favor. Then I say okay, no problem. But then I take by the time. Well, no, maybe God feel do one. He come beg you back. As he reach this side though, he fly back. He go raw. Now when I make no man na stay, you can make it bunagle when the fabric with the guy of no be those 1 week job. Aqua we when I give you. I man no yoni. We don't they pray for that kind of one. So you work for that kind of 5 years for one company. You better money to arrange yourself. What you the one, my dear. As my husband friend fly back to where they stay for Europe here. That night, he don't talk to his wife. They follow and play, no? Follow and play. Saying follow and play. He do one. Why didn't they see us in someone's thing? He do one totori. He do one. They like. No women. They like all those totori. He follow and play. Me, una too much. He say follow and play. Do this one. Me for calm down. He say follow and play. He do what he never do before to this wife. No one make na mudia we no we ma no na be muye kai go ko he say follow and play do this one. He follow and play we never play before. He the law he lay cut or help and cut. If you do everything he say he go make am happy because he can't tell am that this thing he go say okay this area sunu or we along the work agun for now. He say tell am everything what they talk as is come from the beginning. In narrator everywhere, he no because of Peking. 14 years, no issue. He tell her everything, the way everything they happen. He tell her. Say no be fault. You know, say he love his mama. Yet he make an actor. And he can do that thing. And now that the same girl. Or better to help when to be princess and 2 princess come for her. Now will go. Ibiakana ima ho ne se ibi no dzani piano onyo ka bie ima ho ne se ayewa now doke de no walo you see can go ask the woman what you know one married the woman again they don't set it because they don't settle her for Nigeria you know one you can go to no one marry again just to bring those children come here me help they never ask they never grow so just to bring them for anyone bring them for Nigeria cara where they stay for Europe. Maybe for help and they take care of the car and then go school. You understand? Work, you know go work again. Money day. Just they take care of this 4 your now you see your 4 children now your own. Remember this baby now it give you luck. Now this through this they know say would they take treatment of what do they call them hospital for here. They eat vacuum injection this one that it no work. This guy don't talk. Mama can't do the thing. Can't work. He no be no. He beg gun. My social economy da. And number one, no get to the ama. Let me say he go marry them again. You know, marry the woman again. May get sense. He's 7 years. What when you say, "What we bidding you toy you, but no go toy you. Go be no work be le." Jay was that damn always work be away je obi ba be fi yen lo no re we book yen gbogbo owo yen gbogbo wa ru bi yan wa da kan yan hu on wa da comme yo hun wa vu on wa vu vampire no le wa vu yen na wa vu wa da ko sin da gbeto yen na gbeto on wa vu yo hun wa ni na so ena i push ele na ya gbin wa me ya push wa me push mo ma push na de o na wa o logo we yes ya wa we ya we de ni ya fe no sum understand diga na kana na ima be we do go we o me mo do they don't be are here that don't to help me to treat those children we have you I'm no we have you ye we no care yi ovio when I do jere wo kona wo hi o ko ya na wari wo na mugo jo hu o ko yo ma u baba so ovio kana wa o ko destiny obokun ta go si na wa ko na ta de kin na ko la bege Why you treat to win it? Because the man of my life now, una robo, a or see this thing, my brothers and sisters, while sure a video now, right? I'm a single man that day, near pick a sensible, una robo, una me go with, woman cannot control you now. Woman cannot control you because you are the one that will control your home. When I go, but they are go over, we are not you over, we should go. O mi ba ko ko no ko rie gwe o be mo ko so ko ko ni ti no rita ma we are this wa mi e ko so ha gwe ko wa risa wa mi iho o me demo ezo that you are not well that whatever and we take an no or say oh bomb na agu na this thing go give the young people bomb man that have just bomb men and women it go give them sense. If you don't know where we're complaining, now we not trying to get again. That they are that level boss say we happy, which happy is you better lo mais je. Is you man, yeah mama, if family ya bob, pepe ya move. We ye da treat to win the day, but don't have a fan the day be treat to win eh mo ga sin do ya bale na do tie we la re. We have na kuya je, e mai ta me je no so no. Wa wo no kuya je he ti si bi aje in Nigeria, o mo ho fonia. Upon me ya mi obi ni mo fo ni a omo me gun yen gun gun ahun wa le gbe na si ayi ma e no o re fo de na do tie o ibe de no ge yen ne ke na do tie we la wo bo mi ne we me eyin that is any ni ma bi e ben yan re ko be ma le bi yan re e yan gbogbo je ni gbogbo ji ni la ho e du ma be yen seto e ni no wo ge la ho Papa ya tete wa ni princess ye wa gbe na ye gbe na ye ya no ro make na condemn be papa te ma wo na maybe me ti wo na even ye na bere ye Europe or na just start all those things let man live a happy life o go ni you be na say wa ta na and na the truth in the your one fine for that graduates the truth said woman say you no go gree those children not be you over the huna mu yin we o ma me sikan queen mo we are away if you go ni no ro wa nya ahun se no bia ye mana ni ye go ko ye go we ni o hin we are me I be gwale o wa ma go ta me we ni ya we bless we yin because ye o you innocent na pikin na dem be what no offending what are you talking here we dey test be mo na wa mi assim ason assim children e do atu son ason e mama de fijinha yan wa ho ijin we jin na mo muya e ko ni alo ya kijinha o ya yan o ibi kani wona go la go o be ni yin mi ase mo ye fe wona so and that's me have forgiveness more forgive more we ko ni no viande wona wo ma wo no ken ga je you have to separate with TV you only ni are ken je he no na force children you have to go self and ejin you me go jinjin hu ejin me be right but you mai di jin o wo ga ni o se na agbu da je that is we ma understand wona wa ni ala ma ye ta aya be ye ta ya la ma ke no he sunu o na do mu yin won na ko o re mo wa mo mi ya logo we are wo ni wo gan so wana na se o wana ma gba koko do idin yo polo se bo we wa arin janu no wa re luggage o we me nu le ko iwe gbe se no wa re hiyen I want to me go no ma ho and what the me go me go no be je wa me save you we are agent na ka ya mo e ko rento wa da me ha me na so wa ne to yo den ha sa ya fo ne do very fine building we piscina e one year de piscina que be kana ho already compound na we very fine house na we wa mu ya settle we go be a princess wa ro the no e the nya be bu ya be mi la go de asinya ya ni be do atun ya da dress ni no be agwale ne ya me ya re no kwa via so no ro ya via ro ro da kan ya be do via be ma no so ko bale gbere ele ti no wu ya agwale ya re ego you know that ya ga re ego you get that ya ga re ego ni problem but I want to ya go ni be with TV ni ho ni agbi bi no di ro be bia mo be go me do so ologbo problem mi ro ni are ina ko re mi o yo give me permission o be na re mi ya ba na ya go agent ndo ko lo wa mu mi mo igwa ga ro yo si ha na we before 2 days am wa ni ka se yo tse be ya kwa lo wa amuni na ba sa ya ile wanje yo wa ejingu na fo ya ko se ya ko ye ko jumur ke na ye mu na bi be ko kono ye ba ye wa jinga ke o ka nye we ye me stress which so ga ye ni ya no so ya jo ya settle issue just 2 weeks holiday ndi ni na ya ni se ba na wo je ko ti ma ni bu yin ba be fo very yo partition ho be do ya o e me so on jije no je ge no sunu tin record ni ya fefe ni ya yin ya e yo ho wa go egun ta me ho voice ni be voice no kono we yi e de ko na me ko a oni ya kono we yi ona ya wa we mo si de suna e so ko kono wa ke do mo no we e suna wa we mo si zen e ba je na wa do de wa na ma na gbon da me ho a yi e no o ko ya a ho go me bi no ga gbele ya record popo there is a more video just a voice this thing ga no pipo na ha ya yi no ko je ne kere yin te ogun ye bande je ru yin ye ya re Nigeria mo ye ri je na we mata ye kikita wa re wa we han je mo daga ga atian ma gbogbo so yoju o do na o ma si no ye ma ga ni me ga o wa ma me gbe ta be ka kere bulu kan do ta we ye e de bu kan ni ga gun o ma si no je ya wa ya ri ye e lo ti ke we ni na ga ri ro na ke we e lo ti si family kugbe o because a family no be ati ne go bring akore ni ya ga e na si ya bi bosa na bi better family e re ya tuleti agite family kugbe no o mo na yegi kweno gi ba o gwana de ja ro ni ja ro o ga so he no ni ya offend ni ya ke no mo ka ni ta ma ye muna o he be de ni ya de bomuna mana asane khere he na la ho go mu me no wa go na no wa nye ni yefu ye ho ni wa ye no ga obo khin mana san ye mo bo khin no din ya giro da ga separate no we mata boss no do explain ya fe ma ya omo ko ni ye ro gin ye ne o wa ni ye den ye jana kin ye komo ye beta ma ya ki ge ba yo account ne call ye but the meeting tanga we bi ye no gin ye ya se father ya present ni ya settle the issue we mata tina omo call ye o go ye wo ni ya khia na yi so ne do lose that me bo do ko fe va ye do lose no na ne to do rie no gin na gin no we no sunu e se yin awo traditional ne e cutting no ro ye tu si ri o to simu ne na we no wa no ko le ke fo ga gbe no wa go ke go ya la we lo to wa ri cutting de kan tu le do we mi fe ye do we ne baba na ba ne go we go ya we mi do tu le we wa tu le di ni na wa yi go we ne go ya we prepare document o ga na mugana on do vina do via de debo ni aje do process de do ne bege saka do lavia ya vivi nda na te family disi vi sabini ya ta he de abri ya vivi ve wo kin ina buya die de na ya kan be poti what is zen ya ko ni gun bo wa ma do na we stress about it ba na time ya we dey come awa me always no dread that woman o ma we ho ni beta mo se no ye go say gwa kare sometimes if you do anything battle not to anybody you fight and the way you take need down fight to talk your wetin happen cozinha we tama bana ai do me we si ai ko be no akibaro ba akibaro do chichi pa na trust the person wey dey follow the waka you go know the kind person wey wetin go fit do for you for back then the relationship agbe 40 years relationship I don't mean we no worry no dey no understand why understand dey gbese wa wa rub for many years or soon no understand awori yen ko ya re wo kun yen la wa e so he na nia ono gbodo bi o me va bai popo pa bi no bi amo ku bi ha yen na ko pa awo bi yen ni be Nigeria na ya eso be nwa na so ya so school here amo ni tamu wena 4 years back so wa go Russia mo no ne dire wa ko se ni be bieka wa Russia ogo so wa be ahama o wa ta be bie mo be be se tu mo si hamane ogo ni ya be lian wo ya bu ya mi ase yin na iya e pare be ko ye na evien va ogo be so e we ni eri na ye enjoy say love no go mo love no so no kata we ma ka ma be love yen so what the love be transit owe e ye ni ya ku owe me ya lo do love yen he owe so eri da e lo I na renne can never test food owe na notice so we ya he fe se camera jo those camera na mujo wa na we ya ge no we ya ga mo be camera ro wan na we ma no be fin wo owe ya ga ri ko na ya we my husband ko mo kon it na owe ya me wa me ana owo wo kin no ka bia ni yen ya iwo yen wa le the kitchen oni yen camera wo ni yen se camera jo bo ni wa le ba kitchen no ka wa ro e bru e mu ja ka yen bru understand owo ona o hwe hin na destiny fe na we ona hwe hin no hieti I mean that is no ni agbaro forever owo a re de kwa ka o so no wa be meten e hwe hiwe o so bo wa ye cut off o kwa hiwe no do mi at last o re ma go magic till today ogwe omo be call cause already fuck up in omo be calling o but o what tijin o do tijin ihe ma be tie cause hu ni o do tijin we je genos no so after many months after 4 months of a year be me mother son we me finish prepare the document no do the plan the that is say lo on do tijin omo be tijin na wo bi me wa aro we no bi aro mi o jin wa fin fojo so go en go da me nonsense ijin apapa na san mo le ti se e ko ni ma ge ti o ta go do mo no be le ni yan ko mi ta go do go na be jin na we yan be nwane we yan ko mi and ni te yan o ga ni kan ni ko do kun ya ko gbe but yan do atun yan o vian so de ni ya vian e be no mo ye mara what no yan bi se ko han da mi no de ko be yo ni o ro be wa o se gbodi na apologbe be mo o ma ne eko no rigbe e ma de to ko ba ne be kan ya de banya iya bo gbaro e ma na o se gba we na enwa ye la wo ma jesu no ma enwa na de la se no ba we ma na pa dia we fo na ga ri o no e no yo gun ani ono vie point bu we mo ko ne ko ne ho ye ko ata be ba na ye no ne do am de we ne ko o fe va you go con drag you no con drag the two people naga the story ya end o this man they live happy me and the woman we both talk about 4 days ago he say I see wetin I dey do I say maybe no vex o say no somebody know because wey your husband even dey for the way dem dey Nigeria nobody dey see black people like that. No, they say black people because then they okay. Not so what people say person they okay for Europe. When that's all live better for Europe here. So nobody know. That's why I take permission before I take permission for your guy saying no, you understand, not be like that. Tell a long story. Very good woman, very good girl and woman. So they born 4 children, 2 for Nigeria, 2 for you. 3 boys, 1 girl, 1 princess. Okay. The princess might be the last one. The man said, when you be what they have joy because I walk on I miss what a dog bag bueno. You might tell what dog bag walking anything. Well, let's walk a red flower by a dog bag bueno because what book will never miss say. When one married graduates, if you marry graduates, there is any son here. Man, we do not marry no J school, person with graduates. They missing the graduating. You know, they live like twins all that. So my people, I said the film they end though. Adios, everybody. Bye.